still, in fact, here. You can see the pack there before I cover it up. There it is. Watch very carefully. I'm going to try and take out your card. Okay. Take out one card. Actually, I got the Joker, so let me just put that away. I get one more try to find your card. A little bit of magic. Watch carefully. I take the deck. I just give it a snap. It vanishes. Every single card in the deck vanishes with the exception of your card. I show you the silk. It's completely empty. So actually the whole deck travels over here. That's right, inside the hat. Amazing. Hello, Darin Martineau here, and in this video I'm going to perform for you my new Las Vegas double split routine. So I've got a pack of cards here, okay? Show you all the cards, all right? And give the cards a little bit of a shuffle here, okay? And give them a mix. Mix them up really good. Give the cards some cuts. And trying to find one card here. Let's see if we can find it. It's a very special card. Well, the cards are made out of layers. Let's see, this is a 4 of diamonds. Now the 4 diamonds is made out of layers, like I said. And what it can do is we can actually show you how we can split the layers apart. Just like this, magically. We're just going to split it like that. We split it into two like that. Now, watch very carefully here. What we're going to do, we've got the 2 of hearts and the 2 of diamonds on the top of the pack right there, the 2 twos. So what we're going to do here is we're going to show you the Las Vegas double split. See, it's a 2-2, they're the ballerina cards. Isn't that cute? 2-2. Watch, we just take them like this. We can actually split them magically, see? It's like this, we split them. And then we can split them again into the 4 aces. And that's the new Las Vegas double split. Now, we're going to try and make this change invisible. Okay, we're going to use nothing but air here. We call it the winds of change. Okay, watch, don't blink, you'll miss it. Winds of change, change is invisible, and I'm going to toss it right through the air, through the sky, and you can see that it has landed all the way over here, joining birds of a feather flock together. There we have it, the 4 aces. Absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to explain this.